Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson from Collision Advice. Listen, I hope you're getting ready to join me live from my podcast that's coming on March 10th, where we're going to be broadcasting live from Wallace Collision, which is owned by John Baker and his family. And listen, what are we going to be talking about on this next month's podcast? We're going to be talking about safety inspections and why they're so important. We're going to talk about why you need to measure steering columns and inspect steering rack assemblies, seat belts, and so much more. We're going to share some real-world examples with you of airbags that we removed and inspected on vehicles that were in a collision and we found damage. That means they would not have deployed had we not found it. We're also going to spend some time with a young man that his name is Jace, who his full-time job is doing safety inspections at Wallace Collision. And we're going to talk about some special service tools that you need. We're going to talk about how to inspect some of these things. And really, we're going to talk about what do you do when they say, we don't pay for that and you're the only one. So this is Mike Anderson. I hope we'll see you at our podcast, On the Road with Mike Anderson, serving up some collision advice. We'll see you soon.